Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Leslie of Silver Mill Creations, and today we have day 5 of the ATC Halloween challenge that is being done by Toni over at Toni's Witchy Art and Crafts. And today's prompt on the witchy Halloween type side was black cat. So I have this cute little black cat, and I put some spiders up on top, and he's got candles next to him, and I put down here the young magician, and then I put up on top that he was looking to create mischief. And if you know anything about cats, you know they can get into a lot of mischief. So that is my card for today. So I will see you all for the next day, which will be bats. So take care, everybody.